How to turn on animations on Duolingo app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to turn on the animation on Duolingo app, first of all launch the Duolingo application on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, just go to your emoji icon over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is in the middle in the menu bar. Tap on that and it will lead you to the profile. After tapping on profile, you can see the gear icon over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here you can see different options. So just select on the preferences option under the accounts segment. As you tap on, here you can see the option of animations in the third option. So just make sure to toggle this on and this will activate and turn on the animations on Duolingo app. So you can just go back and tap on done and save this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.